Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of peperomia plants. With their unique textures and colors, these beauties are perfect for any indoor space. Join me as we explore 20 stunning varieties of peperomia that can add charm to your home or office. First up is the Peperomia obtusifolia, commonly known as the baby rubber plant. It features thick, glossy leaves that are easy to care for, making it a favorite among plant lovers. Next, we have the Peperomia caperata, or ripple peperomia. Its textured, heart-shaped leaves add a unique touch to any collection. Moving on to the Peperomia argyrea, also known as the watermelon peperomia. Its striking leaves have a beautiful pattern that resembles a watermelon rind. Check out the Peperomia prostrata, or string of turtles. This trailing variety has small, turtle shell-patterned leaves, perfect for hanging baskets. Next is the Peperomia clusiifolia, often called the red edge peperomia. Its colorful leaves have vibrant red edges, making it a standout. Meet the Peperomia ferrerae, or happy bean plant. This one is known for its elongated bean-shaped leaves that add a quirky touch. The Peperomia polybotria, or raindrop peperomia, features large, teardrop-shaped leaves with a glossy finish, perfect for a modern aesthetic. Next up is the Peperomia metallica. This variety has a striking metallic sheen and unique leaf shape, making it a true showstopper. Let's talk about the Peperomia scandens, or Cupid peperomia. Its heart-shaped leaves make it a popular choice for hanging arrangements. The Peperomia hope is a hybrid with thick, rounded leaves and a compact growth habit, making it ideal for small spaces. Next, we have Peperomia pico, a smaller variety with rounded leaves that fit perfectly on a desk or shelf. The Peperomia magic marble is known for its marbled leaves, blending green and cream for a stunning effect. Check out the Peperomia bicolor, which features a striking combination of green and red leaves, perfect for adding a pop of color. The Peperomia caperata red is a variation of the ripple peperomia, boasting red-hued foliage for extra flair. Next is the whimsical Peperomia belly button. Its round leaves resemble a belly button, adding a fun touch to your collection. The Peperomia grape features clusters of small round leaves that look like grapes. Adorable and unique. Meet the Peperomia frost, known for its frosty, silvery leaves with a velvety texture, perfect for adding elegance. The Peperomia jelly is unique with its thick jelly-like leaves, making it a standout in any plant collection. The Peperomia nivalis is a compact variety with small, white-green leaves, great for minimalistic decor. Last but not least, we have the Peperomia red ripple. This variant of the ripple peperomia has vibrant red undersides, adding depth to your plant display. That wraps up our list of 20 stunning peperomia varieties. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant insights and gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.